Today we will be working towards birds of paradise. So if you have a strap handy or a towel, I recommend it. Just helps getting into that posture. And we are going to start in child's pose. So come on down, bring your knees nice and wide, extend your arms forward, and just take your forehead to your mat. Begin to tap into your breath. And then deepen your breath. Inhale, rise up, tabletop pose. Hands under your shoulders, knees under your hips. Inhale, cow pose. Bring your heart forward, bend your elbows. Exhale, cat. Round your spine, tuck your chin. Inhale, cow pose. Exhale, cat. Find a neutral spine. Tuck your toes. Press up, high plank pose. Hold here, breathe here. Keep your core nice and strong. Continue to breathe nice, deep, full breaths. Then exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, bring your right leg high. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale, right leg high. Exhale, cross your knee, opposite elbow, falling star. Take your right foot to the mat. Extend your left arm to the sky. Bring your left hand back to the mat. Inhale, right leg up. Exhale, low lunge. Place your foot between your hands. Inhale, crescent lunge. Rise on up. Shoulder rose. Just take your elbows back and behind. Opening through the chest. And then inhale, crescent lunge. Exhale, open twist. Bring your right arm back, left arm forward. Find length in your spine. Inhale, open up, warrior two. Widen your stance. Kind of play around here if you'd like. Bend and straighten. Then settle into your warrior two. Exhale, extend side angle, front arm inside thigh, reach your back arm up. Feel free to take Utthita if you'd like. I'm just gonna stay with regular. And then inhale, reverse warrior, reach up and back. Take it back, exhale, extend side angle. Bring your top arm around for a half bind. You can take your hand inside your thigh if it's accessible. Then inhale, reverse warrior with the half bind. Exhale, high plank, hold here. Take your feet nice and wide for more stability. Reach your right arm forward, then lower. Left arm forward and lower. Keep your hips nice and steady as you move. Then downward facing dog. Inhale, lift your left leg high. Exhale, knee to nose. Squeeze it in. Inhale, left leg high. Exhale, knee to opposite elbow. Extend your leg. Falling star. Extend your right arm to the sky. Exhale, take it down. Inhale, three-legged down dog. Exhale, low lunge. Inhale, crescent lunge. Rise on up. Carve your tailbone under. Exhale, shoulder circles. Just again, opening through the chest. And then inhale, crescent lunge. Exhale, Vertical twist, reach your left arm back, right arm forward. Find length in your spine. Inhale, warrior two, open up. Settle in. Exhale, extend side angle. Front arm inside your thigh. Take the Utthita if you'd like. And then inhale, reverse warrior. Exhale, extend side angle. Bring your top arm around, half bind. Again, take it to your back, inside of your thigh if that's accessible. Inhale, reverse with the half bind. Exhale, high plank, hold here, breathe here. Feet as wide as your mat. This time you can take opposite arm, opposite leg as you lift. Or if you'd like, just hold high plank. You can also always bring your legs down and kind of try the opposite balance. Just keep your hips in front of your knees. And then take it back, downward facing dog. We'll flow one time each side. Inhale, lift your right leg high. Exhale, low lunge. Inhale, crescent lunge. Exhale, circle your arms. Inhale, back to crescent. Exhale, vertical twist. Inhale, warrior two. Exhale, extend side angle. Inhale, reverse. Exhale, extend half bind. Inhale, reverse, keep the bind. Exhale, high plank and hold. Bring it down, forearm plank. Take your feet as wide as your mat. Hold here if you'd like. Reach your left arm forward and the right. Keep your hips steady as you reach. One more each side. Then hold and breathe. Downward facing dog. Inhale, left leg high. Exhale, low lunge. Inhale, crescent lunge. Exhale, circle your arms. Inhale, crescent. Exhale, twist. Inhale, warrior two. Exhale, extend. Inhale, reverse warrior. Exhale, extend half bind. Inhale, reverse, keep the bind. Exhale, high plank. Take whatever option you'd like. Tap your shoulders, reach an arm forward. We will be here 10 more seconds. Last 4, 3, 2, step your feet forward. Frog pose. Lengthen your tailbone down, and if your knees or hips only allow you to come to here, that's fine. That's your frog pose. Just get the stretch. Take it wherever you are, and then settle in. Reaching around for the bind. So this is where your strap comes into place. If you want, you can grab your strap, take it underneath, just an extension of your arms. Or if you have that reach, you can reach for your hands, walk your foot in. Inhale, rise on up for Birds of Paradise. If you'd like, you can lengthen that top leg or just keep it bent. And then just return the way you went in. Come back to frog pose and take that other side. So again, if you want the strap, just take it underneath, or you can work towards the bind. Bring your hands together, walk that right foot in. Inhale, rise on up. Lengthen your left leg if you'd like. Mine can't go quite straight. And then gently come back down. Make your way to a seated forward fold. Legs are nice and long. Bring your arms overhead. And exhale, lower down. Flat spine first. And then roll forward. Inhale, rise on up. Continue to roll all the way to your back. Eagle leg supine twist. Take your right leg over the left. Drape your legs to the left. Arms to a T or cactus. And just relax. Come back to the center. Hug your knees in. And switch it up. Eagle legs, left leg over the top. Take your legs over to the right. Arms to a T or cactus. And then just settle in. Unravel your legs. Bring them back into your chest. Give yourself one last squeeze. Then gently lower down. Resting pose or Shavasana. Just allow your muscles to become relaxed and heavy. And let yourself sink even more. And if you're ready to move on, gently invite movement back to your body. And then just make those movements bigger. Bring your knees into your chest. Make your way to a seated position. Bring your hands into your heart center. Thank you for tuning into class today. And just making efforts to get uncomfortable and to grow. Bring your thumbs to third eye center. Bow forward. Namaste.